This is my first corn tassel. That's the male part of the plant that produces the pollen. And these corn plants are well over 6 feet right now. There goes a baby cucumber plant. Finally, after all these months trying to get cucumbers to grow, they're growing really big now. And they are now producing cucumbers. There's a nice view of the cucumber plants growing in tomato cages. They've gotten very big. Finally getting cukes. There's a better view of a baby cucumber plant. Nice. Lots of tomatoes. Beef steak tomatoes and big boy tomatoes. That's a watermelon plant with flowers. Got off to a late start. So who knows? I might get some watermelons. Sweet Italian peppers. Got a lot of those. Here's the pepper row. I do grow other plants. These are dwarf dahlia plants. Purple basil. Can't wait to use that on a dish. Spaghetti and sauce. Those are my various grapevines. First year, doing really well. Should get grapes next year.